So number 12, we're going to graph it. I'm going to draw the parent function of y equals 1 over x in pencil here. So on the parent function, we have a vertical asymptote at 0 and a horizontal asymptote at 0. And we go through 1, 1, and negative 1, negative 1. And then we just kind of hug the asymptotes like that. So this is the parent function that we're going to be transforming. So now I'll do the transformations here in pen. So we have, these are on the inside of the function. They're sort of in here, in part inside of the fraction. So these are, these are going to be vertical transformations up here. Anything down here would be horizontal transformation. So I don't actually have anything, I don't have an A here, but I do have a B. So these two are C, and then this is D. It's kind of a little bit different than some of the transformations we've looked at as far as the layout of it, since it's a fraction. So I have no A transformations. My B is going left 2. C has a reflection over X, and it has a vertical stretch of 3. And D is down 4. So I'm just going to take this parent function and do those transformations. Well, if I go left 2, that is going to move my horizontal asymptote, or my vertical asymptote left 2. And if I reflect over X and vertical stretch, that doesn't change either asymptote, but if I go down 4, that's going to move my horizontal asymptote down 4. So this is what I have with my asymptotes. So now if I take these points and I'm going to go left 2, I'm going to reflect it over the x-axis, which puts me down here. I'm going to vertically stretch it. Vertically right now, I have a vertical length of 1, or of negative 1 if you want, and I'm going to make it 3 times bigger. I'm not adding 3, I'm multiplying it by 3. So if I'm at negative 1, I'm going to go down here to negative 3, because I made it 3 times bigger, and now I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, I'm going to do the same thing with this point. I'm going to go left 2, reflect it over the x-axis, vertical stretch of 3. Vertically, I'm at 1, so if I multiply 1 by 3, I go up to 3. I'm not adding 3 again, I'm multiplying by 3, so I go to the number 3, then I'm going to go down 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, right here. And so all I have are these 2 points, and then my graphs are just going to curve around and follow the asymptotes like this. And that's it. So the domain, you can see it's almost all reals, but there's one particular number that this graph will never touch, and that's this vertical asymptote right here. So that's x equals negative 2. So the only value that is not in my domain is negative 2. So it's easiest to write x can't be equal to negative 2. We could, of course, write it like this, where we're showing, oh, you could be from negative infinity all the way up to negative 2, but not including it, union up to negative 2, but not including it all the way to infinity. But most people don't write it this way. They just write x can't be equal to negative 2. And we have a similar y value. Y cannot be equal to this number right here, which is negative 4. So y cannot be equal to negative 4.